I arrived in Rotterdam at Black Station, where I was welcomed by Piet Blom's famous cube houses, the Cubus Woningen. I look around for a moment. I had arrived a little early for Álvaro Castagnet watercolor workshop. There were 9 people attending the workshop. We had all received a recommended materials list beforehand, and everyone began very seriously arranging their art supplies. I had prepared much less seriously and forgot to bring several things with me, so later I had to borrow items like paper towels and a spray bottle for water. The workshop lasts from 10 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon, until 4. And Álvaro had planned 2 watercolor paintings for the day. The process was structured, so Álvaro first demonstrated each stage of the painting, and then we returned to our tables and tried to repeat it ourselves. The atmosphere was quite intense and emotional. Nothing seems to work properly for anyone at first, and there was very little time. Álvaro walked around the room, observing our progress as a teacher, which made it even more nerve-wracking. When such a master looks over your shoulders and your watercolor still doesn't look magical, you became very aware of it. But at the same time, he demonstrated everything with incredible mastery. His talent, his precise analysis, the clarity of each stage, the result of many years of practice, and every brushstroke felt like a masterpiece. Álvaro works with a very limited palette and generously shares his techniques. At the beginning, everyone felt tense, but towards the end, he became much more encouraging, saying kind things and praising everyone's work. It was a special day.